Okay, so good morning everyone. Welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to see problem number 15, which is three sum closet. It's actually three sum. So what we have to do, we have to find a triplet which is going to result into 0. So there is a method called two-pointer approach. So I'm going to use two-pointer approach for this question. So basically, this two-pointer approach means, okay, so two-pointer approach is basically used to find the sum between two elements. So okay, let's explain. I'll first explain you that. So in that, what happens? I'm going to first of all sort the complete array, right? And after that, what I do, I'll choose the element wisely, right? I'm going to choose the first element. I'm going to choose the last element. So that's actually the two-pointer that I'll be using, right? The first one and the last one. Okay, and after that what I'll be doing is I'll be finding out the sum of that element, and if I got the sum equal to the required sum, fine. If I get the sum larger, what I'll be doing, if I get the sum larger, right, then I'll be moving the back, I'll moving the back of I'll moving the back, and if I get the smaller sum, then I'll be moving the front forward. Why I'll be doing that? Because since it's a sorted array, right? If I'm getting the larger value, then definitely the larger element will be present in the end part of the array, right? So I'll be moving it backwards so that I get the lesser amount of sum. And if I'm getting the less amount, then definitely I need a larger element. That's why I'll be moving the front. So I'll be getting the larger values so that I'll get the proper two sum. And another important point, since it's not a two-sum problem, it's actually a three-sum. So what I'll be doing, I'll be finding out, what I'll be doing is actually I'll be finding out the sum. So what I'll be doing, I'll be considering one element, right? I'll subtracting that element from the sum, and then I'll be calculating it for the rest one. So that's for the solution. If you have any doubt in the solution, please comment down in the comment down. So first I'm going to set the target, since this question clearly says that I want the sum that should equate to 0, right? So I'll be setting target to 0. You can set target to any number, and you can make this useful for any of it. So since the return type is the collection of to inbuilt list, as you can see, to inbuilt list should be returned. So I'll be using array list for this. LA list, and then another list, and then another list. Okay, so I'll be typing the code, and I did a mistake, I guess. I definitely did a mistake. So I'll not be adding two lists over there, since one is array list already, that is present, right? So that's it. Okay, so now if nums equal to, so if you want any separate tutorial video for the collections interface and all Java, just let me know, because collection, what happened in competitive programming, you always need to use collection to make your work easier, right? If you'll be doing uh, everything by yourself, it will simply make your code difficult. So collection helps you out because it have a lot of inbuilt function in it. So okay, now let's understand what I did over here, right? So if the number that I'm giving to you is null, right, and if the length of that number is 0, that means if I don't have any element. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to return what element I have right now in the solution, that is null, simply, right? So that's the basic part. Now since I need to sort the error, so where we are using the function, right? So since okay, so we have a function array.sort that will be sorting my num. That's why I needed it, right? That's why it's important. So now for in I less than num. Okay, I'll definitely do some typing error, which I'll check it last. Right, just bring me every month equal to target minus 1. Okay, so now I'll be checking just for the target, right? That's what I told you. Since it's a 3 sum, I'll be storing one element. Over here. Okay, so let's see what I've done till now. So it's basically I've done nothing. I just finding out the remaining element. That's why I have to just find out now. I've just find out the 2sum using 2-pointer approach. That should equate remaining because I have already got one element. That is the num1 num1, and this is the first pointer and this is the end pointer, right? So since I told you 2-pointer, I'm going to approach. So the end condition for both the pointer is that front should always be smaller than the back, right? They should not overlap. Since it's sorted, right? So now I need 2sum. That's what we are doing, right? In 2sum equal to nums. Simple. It's too simple. Just front plus nums. Okay. And then if 2sum is less, if 2sum is less than the remaining, what I'll do? I've just told you what if it's less than remaining, what I'll do front plus plus. Okay, so let me write down the code and I'll get back to you. Okay, so what I've done over here is if the value of 2sum is less than the remaining, then definitely that element, I need a bigger element. That's why I'm going to move the front pointer forward, and if the element, if I'm getting the sum greater than the remaining, then definitely I need to go back, right? I need to go back. I need to find the element which is smaller than what actually I've got, right? So, and after that, now if it is less than, then this condition is done. If it is greater, then this condition is to be done. Now what to do if it's equal, right? I need to create a separate list, right, in which I need nums I, nums front, and nums back, because sum of this three is going to give me the target, right? And if I get that, what I do, I'll simply add that triplet list into the array list solution. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Another important thing that I'll have to do over here is no. There's a possibility that I'm going to get a more number of combination, right? So I didn't have to use break and I don't have to, get out of that loop, right? So what I'm doing is, okay, just let me write the code and I'll explain to you. Okay, so now I guess I've written the whole code. So let's see what I've done over there. So this is the general condition. Now if I'm getting the nums front equal to triplet dot get, if the num front is equal to this value, right? So if I add num front equal to, what I'll do front plus plus. Why I'm going to do front plus plus? Okay, yeah. So I've done this code because I don't require any of the duplicate triplets. This is very important. Since I have okay, if I see this error, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get -1 two times, right? I don't want the same code because what will this code do? Right? It is going to identify each and every element as a separate element, right? So if it's going to get -1 and if its sum is going to be there, it's again going to detect -1 and going to give me same output. So if I'm getting the same code, since the error is sorted, so I'll just moving it back so that I don't get repeated variables. Okay, so okay, now I guess I've done error. Definitely I'll do typing error because I'm not habituated to this keyboard. Again some error. Okay, so it's giving index bound nums then minus 1 print id plus 1. This should just check. Okay, let me do one thing. But let's be in the safer side. I'll do this and let's check. Because definitely it's not going to create much difference, but still, I want to check. Yeah, definitely it's not going to create much difference. Okay, I'll get back to you after finding the solution of this. Okay, so I've done a biggest mistake that I should have never done. I've done back business, right? I should do back minus business, right? So that was a typing error. Now let's just check that whether did I get. So the first time definitely didn't work out because yeah. So they have accepted it, and this code is pretty much the fast one. Yeah, definitely it's fast. Let's check the different discussions in Java. Let's see for the better solution because once you solve the question, you always have to come forward and see that whether there is better solution available or not. So this is a great YouTuber, and you can see I have what I've done is I think yeah we have also used two pointer approach length minus two. Okay, so they have no they have not. Yeah, he has used two pointer approach only, and they're checking it here itself. So this is basically the condition for to avoid the to avoid that case. Sum zero minus sigma. Of course, yeah, definitely. It's the same solution. It's written in different way. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. And I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please come out and speak in comment section. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for such amazing content. Because as I've already told you, I'm creating the whole series where I'll be solving almost all the problems of LeetCode available, and I'll be uploading each and every video so that you guys should get a clear picture. Okay, so